We have unanimously decided to support the presidency of His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga under the Azimio umbrella because he is the one who is better placed to transform Kenya. I wish to confirm that I have at last seen the document that was placed with the registrar of parties. Maendeleo Chapchap will work together with all the other Azimio parties to campaign in every ridge and every hill in our nation. I, therefore, with the urging of my party members, present myself for consideration as the running mate for the position of the Deputy President to Jacom Raila Amolo Odinga. Your Excellency, Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, I respect you. I request you humbly, let us work together, strategize together, and even campaign together, because that is the only way we can win. Yes, we are competitors in a country yearning for generational change that is focused not on the past, but the comfort of the present and assurances of a good future. But this should not blind us to the task at hand.